How are you today? Straighten you here a bit. How's that? A little better. So what I've been working on, I'll share with you, is this pendant. It has like a moss. I don't know if you can see if I turn it a little bit there. You see the moss pattern in there? Very pretty. I love it. So it's similar to another one I made that I did a video on. I was going to keep that one for myself, but when somebody saw the video, they wanted to purchase it for a gift for somebody. I can't say he, she, because it might give it away. Their birthday, I think, is in a couple of weeks, the person said. So this is just a little different. The other one had prongs on it and was sitting on I guess you call it like sort of like nestled on a basket sort of metal. So this one I cut the back out and dropped it in, made the bezel, and twisted this. Too much coffee, I got the shakes. I twisted the wire and made the bail and a jump ring and wrapped it around the bezel and made these cute little forget-me-not flowers. So I thought it would look really pretty if I patinaed it with liver of sulfur. Stinky stuff. I got my window open. I was going to put the fan on here, but you wouldn't probably be able to hear me well. So it says shake before using, and it says mix a teaspoon in water. That's how I used to darken some of my pieces, like the bracelets, and dip them in there. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and paint it on. And what I purchased at the dollar store was these watercolor brush pens. And they come 2 in a pack, and they have like different thicknesses on the brush. Let's see. So for $1.25 I was really happy. And I also purchased some of these little droppers, so I can suck that up and put it in here. Oop. Oh, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So I'm going to put a little bit here. This is so stinky. I decided to do this today because everybody is out and they won't be complaining of some of those rotten eggs. Okay. Okay. Just squish it in there. Come on, get out. Well, this one isn't working too well. I don't really want to touch it. Okay. Not a good day when you've been drinking way too much coffee to do something like this. No. My friends out there know I'm a coffee and a chocolate fiend. That's my vices. Okay, I'm just going to put this here. And I'm going to get just a, whoop, bumping everything. A little bit of water in there. Come on. Don't need very much. Bubble. As always, wear safety glasses. You can wear a mask. I'm not wearing a mask because then you won't hear me very well. So righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, Pat. I'm just going to put this cap on. Oh my God, it stinks. You can use a paintbrush also, but I wanted to see how this would work. I was thinking if it worked better this way, you're not stinking up the room too bad, or the house. I got the door to the main house shut, so. You can see it's changing. Like when I think it's dark enough, what I'll be doing is I'll rinse it in water right away. But I want it to give it that aged look. Antique. Come on in. For some reason that doesn't want to, making it look older. I think I should have mixed it a little stronger. So that's what I like about liver with sulfur. If you don't like the look, you can either polish it off, or you can, but I have a tumbler or ultrasound machine. If I didn't have the stone in there, I could have put it in the pickle pot. Up some of that, make it darker. That's an interesting pattern. Get some more on here. This piece is sterling silver, 925 sterling. Ooh, that's dark, but that's okay. I can highlight it. So I'm going to see how this turns out when I try and use it again, being that it's enclosed. So I'm going to stop here, and I'm going to give it a few more minutes to age, and then I'm going to wash it and then polish it to bring out the patina. Okay, I'm back, and this is what it looks like now. It has really like a peacock sort of color to it on the back too. So looks interesting. Very pretty though. So I have this 3M polishing cloth. Love these. They come in, I think it's 12 by 8 or 12 by 12 square piece, and then in different colors or different grits, and you can just cut them. I cut it into squares or longer and stapled it so they're in grid order, so I don't have to think about it. So let's see. Get some of the back here, just antique-y. A little bit of water out of there. Give it a little bit of highlight and shine. I kind of like that look. Let's get a little bit in here. Make sure I'm in frame. My favorite thing is not to be in frame. I'm so happy that silver price is dropping down a bit. When I started, it was about $15 a troy ounce, and just during COVID and that, it went up to 25, and now I think it's something a troy ounce. This will be in my shop shortly, within the week. I have to get pictures done, and not unless somebody, like last time, that was so special that somebody ordered off, sent me a little email asking if they could purchase it. The other one. I'll put the link up here. So if you enjoy my videos and would like to help me with the algorithms, please subscribe. That's what's important, so viewers get to see my videos, or they get lost on the internet there. But subscribing and liking and commenting really help YouTubers keep their videos going. And I love you all. Thank you for doing that, subscribers. And my goal is to make it to 1,000 so that I can buy more equipment and supplies. And if you so choose, you can pop over to my shop. Take a look at the jewelry that I have made. And, ooh, sort of like that really well. Like the aged look. This patina, I'll show you, it does not come off on your clothing or your skin once it's aged a bit, so not to worry. Oh, I really like that look. Maybe I shouldn't put this piece in the shop. Wear it myself. Oh dear. So I'll be putting this on, I don't know. What do you think? Just a minute. Okay, I have a question for you. Do you think I should put it on a wax cord? These are really well-made wax cords. And it's an adjustable chain on it, which I like. I find even for myself. So do you think it would look nice on a wax cord? This is not patina, but, or should I hang it on a sterling silver chain? Let me know below what you think is the best way to hang it. I could patina this also. So thank you for watching. I really appreciate you spending the time with me and subscribing, and welcome to all new subscribers. And if you're not a subscriber as yet, hit that subscribe button. And if you're new to YouTube, on the side where you subscribe, you've got the bells. If you hit the darkest bell, you will definitely see when I put something new up, and because the others, it sort of will show up whenever. So thank you very much. I really appreciate you all. Take care. Bye-bye.